Okay, we came from Nigeria the day before yesterday with my husband for medical checkup. When they finished the medical checkup yesterday, today they refer him to surgery. But the nurses with doctor, they are doing hard work in here. Even yesterday I told we discussed with my husband, not like Nigeria. They are trying their best. How do we get to this hospital? Okay. We came from Nigeria the day before yesterday for medical checkup. Because they informed us about this hospital in Nigeria. It's a very good hospital in India for heart. So that is why we came here with my husband the day before yesterday for checkup. After they finished their checkup, they said they will have to take him to surgery. This morning, they took him to the surgery. The nurses and doctor, they are doing their best. 24-hour services. Everything they do for us.
My baby name is Arbil Islam Roja. I come from Bangladesh. আমাদের বাংলাদেশে যে ডাক্তার আছে বলছে যে একটা শিল্পজ্জামান সে বলছে যে ওর যে সমস্যা প্রথমে আমরা পিটিশন করেছি, তারপরে বিডি ক্লান করানো হয়েছে, এরপর যে বলছে যে বাংলাদেশ ডাক্তার সে দ্য ইন্ডিয়ান ডাক্তার ইজ দ্য বেস্ট দ্য ফর অপারেশন. So doctor said that Scott is the best hospital in the India. I come to Bangladesh from India. My baby go. Baby's in there. She more. So Doctor Ayar bola बताया जे बेबी को जो फॉर ऑपरेशन के बाद उसको पूरी ठीक हो जाए. तो देखते हैं এখানকার ডাক্তার নার্স আদার্স যে জিনিসগুলো আছে সবগুলো মোটামুটি ভালো, অনেক ভালো আছে. আমরা এখানে আসছি চিকিৎসা করার জন্য, যেহেতু এখানে ডাক্তার হাসপাতাল সব কিছুই ভালো, তা অবশ্যই চিকিৎসাটা এখানে অনেক বেটার হবে, এটাই আশা করতেছি.
Coming from Afghanistan, my brother is a heart patient in here, and he is being treated for over a month now. He was in a critical situation, but now he's feeling very good, and I'm very grateful from Scott Hospital that they have given a new life for my brother. And he's also looking very good. He's happy with the doctors. His personal doctor is Dr. Manish Tomar, and he's a very good gentleman. And Mr. Sanjay Khatari is also his doctor. They have helped him a lot in his treatment, and we are very grateful from these two doctors and all the personnel of Fortis Escorts Hospital and all the sisters who are very kind and compassionate and helped Mr. Ahmed Walid in his treatment.
Hello, we come from Tanzania, and we are here about 1 month now, and we had operation for the baby 16 days ago, and the operation went well, and was so difficult for first place to cooperate everything, but the people were so good here, the doctor good as well, and we are so satisfied for all what they done for us. Thank you very much for all the doctors and all the workers, the one working with us. They are so good for us. Everything went brilliant, and we are going home happy. Thank you.